How to change your ChatGPT login password. While there is no change password option, what you can do is reset your password. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's get started. Go to your browser and type chat.openai.com and make sure you have logged out already. If not, just go ahead and log out at first. Then you will see the interface as shown on the screen. Go ahead and tap on login and type the email address that you have used to create your ChatGPT account. Click on continue. And now instead of typing the password, click on forgot password. Now the OpenAI will send you an email with the link to reset your password. So make sure that you are entering the correct email address here, the one that you have used to create your account. Then tap on continue. Now you have to check your email. And as you can see, the OpenAI has sent us an email. Just open it and click on reset password. Now you have to create your new password and re-enter it one more time, and then finally click reset password. And now your password has been changed. Let's go ahead and try to log in with the password that we have just created. And as you can see, I have logged in successfully. This is how you can change your ChatGPT login password. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.